Data filtering is a crucial aspect of SQL that allows us to retrieve specific information from a database. SQL provides several methods for filtering data. Comparison operators. SQL uses comparison operators like equal to, or less than or greater than, not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to compare values in database. Then logical operators. SQL utilizes logical operators such as and, or, and not to create complex conditions for data retrieval. These operators help combine multiple criteria in a single query. In and between. The in operator allows us to specify a list of values while the between operator defines a range of values. Both operators aid in filtering data based on multiple possibilities. By mastering data filtering techniques, we gain precise control over the data is what data is retrieved from the database. This filtering mechanism allows us to narrow down our results, ensure that we only obtain the relevant information needed for analysis, reporting, and decision making. SQL's ability to filter data efficiently makes it an indispensable tool for handling large data sets and extracting actionable insights.